There are biases, to be honest.
Do you think being from the top 4 universities gives someone a competitive edge in the job industry right now?
Yes, so based on what I experienced, since I'm not graduate from the big four university, like for example, we are both new hire or no experience at all. So basically, mas mataas na yung role nila agad na binibigay when it comes to work. Kitang-kita talaga siya. So
Okay.
kapag there is a opportunity to study in the big four, push for it.
Push for
Oo.
it. I see.
Actually, pinupush ko pa talaga yung sarili ko to perform better para makasabay talaga sa kanila.
Given the status quo, definitely. I'm actually a lawyer, so I took law in UP. And then for undergrad, I went to Ateneo.
What do you think gave you the more edge?
I feel like that's relative. It depends on what you're looking for. There are biases, to be honest. Whenever I go for interviews, whenever I feel like they're more inclined to see stuff that you would usually say if you're from UP. I suppose like when you're from Ateneo, I feel like they're more inclined. I will be more inclined to imbibe that UP persona over the Ateneo, something like that.